In this video, we're going to show you how to buy Notcoin in the TonKeeper app. It's important to follow every step to get this to work, so make sure you watch the whole video. First, open TonKeeper and select the buy and sell button. Now we get a list of external services where you can buy different coins. Scroll down until you find the Buy Not section and select Mercurio, which, at the time this video is made, is the only service available. You'll now get a warning that you are opening an external app that is not operated by TonKeeper. Just select Open Mercurio. Select the amount you wish to use to buy Not, and then select the currency you want to use for the purchase. If everything looks correct, you can proceed by selecting the Buy button. Next, choose the method you want to use for the purchase. Just follow the instructions for the method you choose and your TonCoin should arrive in TonKeeper a few minutes after the purchase. Thanks for watching. Just leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.